Hi, M6035. Please introduce yourself.
Good day, Madam and Sir, to all employer in Hong Kong. I'm Margie Salvatierra. I'm 39 years old. I'm married. I'm a mother of two children sons. The youngest is 19 years old and the elder is 23 years old. I'm a Roman Catholic and I'm high school graduate. My work experience in Taiwan before is to taking care of grandmother. My, the grandma is 69 years old. Apong is 80 years old. Madam is 49 years old and have two children, 10 and 15 years old. I'm doing well to taking care of grandma, priority, washing, cleaning, ironing, cooking, and take care of the take a bath.
Okay. Um, since I saw that you don't have any experience taking care of a newborn baby, my question is, it is okay to you to take care of a newborn?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Because you have a son, right? And you
Yes,
are
sir.
also the one who took care of them?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So you know how to prepare a milk for a newborn?
Yes, sir.
Okay. If the newborn is crying, what will you do?
I call to my boss. I will check my temperature and have a stomach sick and diaper. I will check diaper.
Okay. And if the baby doesn't stop to cry after you did everything, what will you do?
I call to my boss. Then I said to my baby is not stopping crying.
Okay. You will ask them.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Um, why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
Because Hong Kong is a very safe place and higher salary, and I want to work there because I want to help my my children for studying in others and also my parents.
Okay. And how long do you want to work in Hong Kong?
I'm work Hong Kong as more than as you want.
So it is okay
You
to
need to
extend.
be, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. For sure you have an idea how to prepare Chinese food because you're ex-Taiwan, right?
I prepare for steam fish, steam vegetable, and cooking shrimp and tofu.
Okay. If your employer prepare food, it is okay to you to eat the food that they provide?
Yes, sir.
It is okay to you to share jobs with the helper?
Yes, sir.
How about cutting your hair into short?
It's okay, sir.
It is okay to you to share jobs with the helper?
Yes, sir.
How about work on Sunday or in a holiday setup?
Yes, sir. It's okay.
It is okay to you to taking care of pets?
Yes, sir.
For sure you know how to take care of elderly because you have an experience,
Yes,
right?
yes, sir.
If one of your employer's family don't know how to speak English, it is okay to you to learn their language?
Yes, sir. I'm
Uh,
willing to learn.
Okay. My last question is, what will be your message for your future employer?
To my future employer, please choose me because I'm a good person to taking care of children and also adults, and I will do my best and I will care your family and also the kids as my baby.
Okay.
Thank you.
Okay, thank you very much, Miss Margie. Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay.